Trolling in Minnesota can be a little tedious only because you get to use one line. But we found out a number of ways to trigger fish when trolling, even in Minnesota. So on the Great Lakes, when you're allowed a few lines, a lot of times we're making turns with our boats to speed up one side of the boat and to slow down the other, and that ends up triggering a lot of bites. In Minnesota, even when you're using lead core, there's a lot of different ways you can get a fish that is actually following, just like a muskie, to bite your lure. So one of the things I like to do, maybe every minute, is just take the line and let it fall back. So that crankbait that's swimming along all of a sudden stutters, or in this case with a paddle tail, a lot of time that following walleye will bite your lure. Another trick I like to do is I'll just let it free spool out about 10 feet and let it go. So that bait just stalled back and then it starts swimming again. And today especially, it's probably doubled the number of bites on this rod, the one we've been fooling with all day. So next time you're out trolling, don't get complacent, fool with your rods, picture those fish following, and you'll trigger a lot more bites.